Hello everyone, this is Mamta Mund and today we'll learn and solve exercise 12.2 questions 1 to 4 of chapter 12. Chapter name is Ratio and Proportion of class 6 of NCERT Mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos, and please visit my blog mathsgrid.com for more information regarding the textbook solutions of CBSE, ICSE and other state boards. Let's get started and solve some questions. Today we learn and solve exercise 12.2 questions 1 to 4 of chapter 12. Chapter name is Ratio and Proportion and topic is proportion. Let's solve some questions. Now question number 2, write true or false against each of the following statements. 16 divided by 16 is to 24 is proportion to 20 is to 30. 16 is to 24 is between 16 and 24. 8 is the highest common factor. 8 2 is 16 and 8 3 is 24. 22 divided by 3 and 20 divided by 30 is 2 divided by 3. So both the ratios are equal. 16 divided by 24 is equal to 20 divided by 30. 16 is to 24 is proportion to 20 is to 30. This is true. Now second bit B. 21 is to 6 is equal to 35 is to 10. 21 divided by 6 is between 21 and 6. 3 is the highest common factor. 3 7 ja 3 2 ja. 7 divided by 2 and 35 divided by 10 is between 35 and 10. 5 is the common factor. 5 7 ja 35. 5 2 ja 10. 7 divided by 2. So 21 divided by 6 is equal to 35 divided by 10. 21 is to 6 is equal to 35 is to 10. This is true. Now 12 is to 18 is equal to 28 is to 12. 12 is to 18 is between 12 and 18. 6 is the common factor. 6 2 ja 6 3 ja. 2 divided by 3 and 28 divided by 12 is between 28 and 12. 4 is the common factor. 4 7 ja 28. 4 3 ja 12. 7 divided by 3. So 12 divided by 18 is equal to not equal to 28 divided by 12. This is false. Now question number D bit. 8 is to 9 is equal to 24 is to 27. 8 divided by 9 and 24 divided by 27 is 3 3 8 is 24, 3 9 is 7, 27. 8 divided by 9. So 8 divided by 9 is equal to 24 divided by 27. This is true. Now E bit. 5.2 is to 3.9. 5.2 is to 3.9. Between 5.2 and 3.9, 1.3 is the common factor. 1.3 dividing 5.2 with 1.3, we get 4, 3. 4 divided by 3. Dividing 5.2 with 1.3, we get 4, and dividing 3.9 with 1.3, we get 3. So 4 divided by 3, we get, and this is 3 divided by 4. Both are not equal. 4 divided by 3 is not equal to 3 divided by 4. So 5.2 is to 3.9 is not proportion to 3 is to 4. This is false. This is false. Now question number FB. 0.9 is to 0.36 is proportion to 10 is to 4. True or false? 0.9 is to 0.36. That is 0.90 divided by 0.36. 90 divided by 36. Between 90 and 36, 9 is the common factor. That is 10 is to 4. And 10 is to 4 is 10 divided by 4. So 0.9 is to 0.36 proportional to 10 is to 4. This is true. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.